Hello everyone. You haven't heard from me in quite some time. That's because since this COVID crisis, my internet has been real dodgy. Also during this COVID crisis, a lot of you are home, and I have been able to reach a great number of you that quite often may have missed my posts because you were working. We have quickly gained another 1,000 followers. So this is me saying thank you so much. I'm at 6,000 followers. I'm hoping to rise. Please, everyone, if you love the work that I see, a lot of you get on here and say the work is amazing, they love the page. Please share with somebody else. Tell them to follow me. Let them know that this business that I created, it was started in mind for African American women. It is for everybody, but I understand that the results that a lot of African American women were getting were undesirable, not because the doctors were doing anything wrong. It's just a misunderstanding of how our skin works, how things heal. It's also a matter of thinking outside the box, coming up with different approaches so that you can not only restore the function of your foot pain-free, but also restore the beauty of your foot. So thank you all, and if you love what I'm doing, please continue to follow, continue to share, continue to comment. Let's get those numbers to rise to 10,000 and greater and beyond. I love you all.